Ashton is back. Pirate Bay Makers meetup just ended and we've calibrated the 6S battery and learned how the calibration of the battery actually works with the help of Ashton. Some of the part we ordered had problems because we've faced the difference between metric and imperial system. So we need to go to the local shop with the rod and show it to them and try that it fits. And now the cleaning drone is almost stable for the next trash collecting. And now after the drone is almost ready for stable functioning and testing across the Phuket, we have discussed our next activity, which will be sumo robots competition for Phuket. I will keep you informed and see you next Wednesday at 7 p.m. at Pirate Bay.